first step, if you will take the next, together we will make it happen. We will grow together. We will hold up our light, and our love will shine bright. Oh girl, I love
it's over.
you.
Now I realize what I had, and I can't get it back. That's the reason that I'm mad, stressing. Thoughts of you making me sick. We done. It wasn't supposed to happen like this. It's cool. Time to read from a different page. Good luck with your life for the rest of your days. It's crazy, cause I thought you really knew better. That after this, man, it can't get no better.
You will always be my lady. There's no other woman for me. I'm so glad you chose me, girl. I'm so glad you're in my world. Time again, you've proven to me that I'm number one in your heart, girl. You are my sweet love.
Yeah, yeah.